Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chartmojo. And in the last trading session, we have seen that Nifty is joining hands with Dow, okay, which means that Dow was going down. Nifty also, it is trying to go down. If I see Nifty, in the last session, we were discussing that 19, 5, 20, 25 kind of a level we need to wait for if you want to go on a long side. Okay. And it seems that from that level, we can see there was a fall. Now, yesterday in my Thursday's video, if you remember, we were discussing that Dow was very weak, but instead of buying directly, okay, or instead of going short directly, uh, you should wait for major levels such as 350, okay, 19350. And unfortunately, on that day, what we have seen, there was an breakdown attempt. Let me go and show you on the 5-minute chart. Okay, let me reset it. And here you can see there was an attempt, but those who were playing little bit aggressive, okay, their SL might have gone hit. And if those some were playing quite, with the larger SL, then they would be still intact. Now, for the next trading session, okay, what we should do? I think we should wait for 19300, okay, and then we will see Nifty will open up till 19200, which is nothing but this gap level. Okay, one can target this gap level if market goes below 19300. On the upside, I am cautious because of the developed markets, okay, they are not showing healthy signs. So it is better that we should avoid upside, okay, on the Nifty for some time. And if recent high is taken out of 19525, okay, 525.25, then we will look back at this. Let me go and see Bank Nifty. Okay, let us go and see Bank Nifty. Here is the Bank Nifty chart, and Bank Nifty was weak. Nifty open gap down, it went up, and then it finally went down. But on the Bank Nifty side, if I see the chart, see this. This is the hourly chart. There was a gap down, and the weakness was there in the Bank Nifty. We were thinking of 45,000 level in the video. After that, it didn't, fill this gap. Okay, at least I was expecting it should fill this gap, but I think in the next trading session, definitely it should fill this gap. So important level for the next session now, 44,750. Okay, if it sustained below that, one can think of opening this 44,400 level. Okay, this level will open. On the high, on the upside, there is a gap here, but let us see how foreign market will behave on Monday. We can see Dow future. Okay, I will show you Dow just after Bank Nifty. I will be waiting for Dow moves. Until then, we should be cautious on the upside. It is not that the uptrend rally is over, but we need to be cautious because of this Dow chart. Now let me go and put daily time frame. Here it is. See the Dow chart. Here it is. We were discussing that there can be an attempt that Dow might reach this support level 33,600 level, and it seems that Dow will try to at least hit that level, and then we will see if Dow is going sideways or it tries to just simply give a breakdown or give a reversal. So on Monday's Dow future, if we see again weakness is there, then definitely Nifty, there can be 200 level, 19,200 level that will open. If we see Dow going sideways, then Nifty will also try to go in a sideways. Let me show this. Okay, should understand that there is this support level. So if Dow is not supporting us, Nifty might form some doji or inside bar and then move as per the developed market. Now let me show you Brent chart. Okay, so Dow is looking weak. Brent on the other side, it is trying to give a breakout. Okay, let me squeeze this and let us put a falling resistance line here. Okay, so basically if we see a break above 81 $82, okay, then we might see a slight up move on the Brent. Now a little bit up move on the Brent is discounted, but if we see that Brent is again going above 100 110, then it will be a issue. Okay, so we will count a neutral signal from here. In the last video we were studying some of the counter, okay, and one of our study was on Tata Motor, okay, and it seems that the study was right. Okay, we see a breakout from the all-time high level, okay, or you can say multi-year high, lifetime high. Okay, we can see that this was the chart. Now looking at DV's lab, we can see here DV's lab there was a rising wedge, okay, falling resistance line, and this was the trigger level which seems to remain intact. So we will skip this because no, you can't make out of that chart, okay, because the level is still intact. We can see Welspun Enterprise, it is gone up in the weak market, which is a healthy sign. We can see there was a breakout, so it is looking good on the chart. Let me go and see MSTC, and here I can see the attempt, okay, the follow-up buying after the flag breakout is not yet seen, but it is still defending the higher levels. So let us see how it go. But you should see this, that Welspun Enterprise and MSTC Limited both are showing flag pattern. But if you study chart very carefully, what you will find, okay, I want all of you to, after watching the video, to do your analysis as well. And when you squeeze this chart, what you will come to know that MSTC is stuck in sideways. Okay, so there are chances of selling pressure. On the other hand, Welspun Enterprise is at all-time high level in the blue sky zone territory, which means no resistance is there. So we are studying the charts, but I want you all to do your own analysis and improve your technical studies. Let me now discuss our yes. Now let me go to our stocks, which we can do study for the next trading session. And India Mart, see this chart now. This is clearly at its COP level, okay, and now you can see that this is the resistance. This became support, okay. This became support. So now logically, what you will do, you should wait for this swing low, okay, and it is near 2720 level, okay. If this swing low is taken out, then till here one can think that this counter might reach, but you can think of 50 to 80 points here on the intraday. If there is a support from this, the COP level, then do nothing. It's simple as it is. Let me go and show you our next chart, which is Bajaj Finance. Now look at this chart, okay. I want you all to see this chart, okay. First of all, I want you all to study chart, okay, every day. And then you will come to know that Bajaj Finance is a laggard. You will see that L&T Finance is going up, M&M Finance is going up, other finance related counters are going up. But why Bajaj Finance is lagging? Now you will definitely say me that, sir, this is again a upside movement, so it is joining hands with the mid cap rally, but it is still relatively underperforming, okay, underperforming those counters. Let us see the behavior of the gaps here. What you will come to know that all the gaps are getting filled on the chart. I am marking with the circle here. You can see these gaps are filled. So these are nothing but the common gap. And here from the resistance, I can see a shooting star candlestick formation. Plus, when the counter hit the resistance level, it was with a very high volume, but after that there was no follow up, even higher volume. Okay, so which means that the gap which we can now see on 7400 level, okay, this is now quite achievable looking as per the chart study. So one can think of when the previous session low is taken out, then you can plan for the gap filling process. Now let me go and see a next chart, which is Siemens. Now Siemens is forming a symmetrical triangle. See this. On the same Siemens chart, earlier it formed a rising wedge. There was a breakdown from rising wedge, as we all study in the technical analysis. Now here on Siemens, there is a symmetrical triangle formation, which means there can be chances of breakout as well as breakdown. Okay. So looking at the broader market, I think the chances of breakdown is quite high. This is the swing low. Okay. One can think of 3675 as an important level and then can act accordingly on intraday basis. So three of the counters belong to the FNO segment, which we have discussed. And now let us see deep industry. Now this is one cash counter. Okay, the market was quite weak on Friday, and we can see a breakout again from a symmetrical triangle like structure here. Volume is also good. Okay, so apart from that, by the way, this is also at multi-year high level. So definitely we can think that if this counter breaches 200 level, okay, that is our psychological hurdle. If it goes above that, then we can expect some decent move from this counter here as well. Okay, I mean, counter might try to continue its upside movement. So 200 is the key level one should wait for in this counter. So guys, this is it for the video. I hope you are liking our content. If you're liking, please hit the like button. I see many few of you are liking our video. I want all of you to like our video, and you can comment as well. Okay, till then, take care. I will meet you in my next video.